Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir milk at home. First, gather your essential supplies. Active milk kefir grains, about 1 to 2 teaspoons for every 1 to 2 cups of milk, and fresh milk, preferably whole fat. You will also need a clean glass jar, a non-metal stirring utensil, and a breathable cover like a coffee filter or cloth secured with a rubber band. Remember to avoid metal utensils and containers, as they can negatively impact your kefir grains. To begin the fermentation, add your milk kefir grains to a clean glass jar, then pour in your fresh milk, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cover the jar with a breathable lid, like a coffee filter secured with a rubber band, to allow airflow while keeping contaminants out. Place the jar in a warm spot, ideally between 68 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight. Let it ferment for 12 to 48 hours, or until the milk visibly thickens and smells pleasantly tangy. After fermentation, your kefir will be noticeably thicker, resembling a thin yogurt. Gently stir the contents of the jar to ensure any separated curds and whey are well combined. Next, place a plastic or stainless steel mesh strainer over a clean bowl or jar. Pour the fermented milk through the strainer. The liquid kefir will pass through, leaving the precious kefir grains behind. You can use a plastic or wooden spoon to gently encourage the thicker kefir through the strainer. Once you have separated your grains, immediately transfer them to a new clean jar with fresh milk to begin your next batch of kefir. The finished milk kefir can be stored in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. If you need a break from daily brewing, place the grains in fresh milk in a sealed jar and refrigerate them for up to 1 month. Remember to change the milk every week or 2 if storing for longer periods.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.